So my friend has just bought one of the last 4500s that they're selling. They're not making them anymore, so he got his hands on one, and he's getting into prospecting. So this is very exciting. I thought I'd film him unboxing it, and yeah, we'll have a rundown on how to use it.
Let's have a look what we've got.
Nice.
And where's this from?
So I went through the MinersDen in Adelaide, and I spoke to Ian via email, and within 3 emails he gave me a really good price. It was straightforward. It was a very quick, very easy, and I hooked him up with Kev.
And I rang him and made the deal, and it was all done and dusted in about 15 minutes, and this turned up 3 days later.
Perfect.
You can't go wrong.
You can't go wrong. So thank you, the MinersDen Adelaide. I appreciate that, guys.
Okay.
Look forward to going through you guys in the future.
Oh, that's me harness, is it? Yep.
Pro Swing 45.
Beautiful. So that's box number 1 down.
Box number 1.
With the 2 main coils. Beautiful.
So we'll just go through the coils first. The small one. There's your warranty and your receipt.
Cool.
I assume. Perfect.
Yep.
So these little coils here, dynamite for little pieces, and just great for getting in between bushes, rocks. You'll find when you're in shallow ground and you're getting little bits of gold that these things here, you're going to get more bits.
Okay.
If you were to walk over it with your bigger coil, just cut the way you usually go, you might have got 5 bits, and you go back over with this bad boy and you'll get little bits, tiny little bits, or there might be a bit close to a rock that you didn't quite get your coil.
Yep.
These things are your bread and butter coils.
Okay, dynamite.
That's your dynamite bread and butter coil.
9-inch
GOLDTEC
Elite. Beautiful.
Elite Mono.
Yeah. Sweet. Now the big one.
And the big baby. Great harness. I'm going to go through a little bit of this.
Oh, look at that.
Hey.
Oh, beautiful.
Thank you, GOLDTEC.
Yes. Awesome.
Now these coils are the new generation, and they're just, head and shoulders above the old ones. The old ones are heavier.
Yeah, I was going to say, this is quite light.
Yeah, you beauty. He's got the 17 by 13 inch mono.
Yeah, 17 by 11 this one, I think.
Oh, 17 by 11, sorry. Yeah, this here is my main coil. I love that coil.
Yeah. Well, it's quite good to be able to sneak it in.
One of the last nuggets my dad found with that was a 48 grammer, and that was very close to 2 foot. We didn't quite measure it, but it was, I mean...
Wow.
So you can imagine what a 10 ounce is going to do.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Treasure through technology.
Treasure through technology, that's what we like to hear.
So I've recommended to my mate Kevin that he gets the Jonathan Porter GPX 4500 CD. Jonathan Porter is an absolute pro, and he explains things very methodically. Is that the word? Yeah, methodically, and he's we've always watched how he does things and replicated it.
Okay, so that's the sticker.
Yeah.
There's a operational CD, how to find gold with Minelab. The quick start guide, instruction manual, and a guarantee. So all the right paraphernalia there.
Do you want to put the receipt in with that, Nub, so that we
Yeah. So it's a pretty good, well, that's a pretty comprehensive guide.
So this here is for your salt lakes.
Oh, cool.
And you also have a setting on your detector called iron rejection.
Yep.
So you can go through rubbishy areas, and it will give you like a blank signal. Issue is that like a big nugget will also blank. That's
cool.
Hey, spare parts.
Yeah.
You can't complain with spare parts.
Okay,
Awesome.
Here we come to the motor and the driving part.
Your battery, your chargers, they're your shafts.
So,
So that's your standard Minelab battery.
That's the battery. Cool.
There's a thing on it as well. You can test battery test, and that makes sure your battery's always good on you. You can't test this to make sure it's all working until you go out there. Because the power lines,
Yeah.
you turn it on now, it starts
Yeah,
going
it's just
crazy.
going now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I'm an external man.
Wow, they're a decent set of headphones, aren't they?
Yeah.
Bloody hell. Pretty comfy too.
Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah, cool.
Do you have to wear them?
No, they're sending me
An
an
external.
external speaker
Oh.
that you just put on your harness.
On the back of this, I've got some settings and stuff written out.
Sweet.
But that Jonathan Porter CD, I would watch it just because there's a few things that my dad couldn't remember because he
Yeah,
hasn't
of course. Yeah.
looked at the box in a while. He flipped to him and goes, "Oh, if I was."
Starting out.
Yeah, just definitely because it puts your mind at ease that you're doing the right thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
People can tell you all these settings,
Yeah.
and yeah,
And you want to be able to reference.
Yeah.
Out there, you'll double guess yourself and go,
yeah,
have I knocked this? Have I twisted it or done something wrong?
yeah, absolutely,
Okay, let's put this mother together.
yes. There's all these spots like right around Kew at the moment. There's pending land all around, right around the caravan park, like
Okay, yep.
within like a kilometre of Kew. It's all pending.
Oh,
Those guys, they're getting little nuggets and stuff. There's like probably 10 on each side every day. They're all just going up and down doing their thing. They're loving it. They're all from over east. and
Yeah. Well, that would be alright, Kev, to start off with.
Yeah.
It's right near town, so you
Yeah.
do feel a bit safe and all. We're going to chuck on the small coil for him.
Yeah.
See how it feels.
We'll put the new coil on.
Coil Tech.
It's all very plug and play, isn't it? There's very
Yep.
little that's difficult at all about it.
I'm actually glad there is.
I'm very impressed with the way the whole thing goes together so easily. Okay, put that down. I think I've got it. There we go.
So we're about 90% of the way there, setting it up.
Yeah,
Just fine little adjustments, and
fine tuning it.
so.
A little bit more.
And you want it is the train out there. You're going to have picture like rocks in front of you, and
So
so
they'll
So you've got to be
you want that
bouncing over
thing,
it.
yeah. So you can kind of lift. You'll be lifting and